Next thing we're going to do is install the water pump. This is for cooling the laser. Okay, so if you look closely here, the mounts are rubbery. So we don't want to squish these too hard, but we want it to stay there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use lock nuts to keep them on. So let's get this in place here. Okay, so first I'll get one of the screws here, get a washer on it. Okay, I'll come from underneath, put it through one of the feet here. Okay, if you do not have the same pump, you're going to have to figure out how to mount that. There we go. Then I'll put a fender washer on here. That way the squish is a little more uniform. It's not just squishing in a little spot. And then I'll place the lock nut on there. Okay. So make sure that's going the right way. And I just want it to be snug. I don't want to like squish this thing down. So that's still a little loose right there, right? Let's get a little tighter. There we go. Now it's squishing down. Okay. So now there's some actual grab there. That's still a little loose. I don't like that it wobbles still that easy. Okay. Yeah, there's a little more squish. Now it's actually grab the foot. And so I'll do that 4 more times, and you do the same thing. See you guys next video.